Okay, good afternoon. My name is Nena Chapman. I'm from Hingoog City. Og actually nakadungog biani sa among sister nga kuan Adventist. Gi-recommend ni siya nga lugar para sa kanang dunay ginapangbati. So through the years, most of the time okay akong mga lab work, but ang akong cholesterol high. Always gina siya nga kuan, high ang total cholesterol. And then my sugar is better after, after a few adjustments of my food. Pero ang cholesterol good akong struggle. So ni anhi mi dire sa kuan sa Dream School para makatuon mi sa New Start program. So far, pag abot na mo dinhi, ang mga food, lamian gid kayo katong mga fruits sa first 2 days. And then, pagkakuandan katong mga vegetables, lami gyud kaayo ang pagkaluto og gi-appreciate gina nako kaayo kay sa balay dili man mi makaingon ana og karon daghan mi natun-an nga mga lain-lain nga pagluto, simple pero healthy gyud kayo. And so far akong gibati kuan kanang so much better na gyud unya, pero naa paghapon ko'y kuan kanang maintenance sa akong blood pressure. But as far as kanang sleeping, I sleep good because we exercise every day. And then I'm really hopeful nga kanang ma-drop gyud ni ang number sa akong cholesterol. Og nagpasalamat kayo ko ani nga program. I'm very grateful to the owner for having a heart of helping people. And we hope that you will always have good health, and you will have more people to reach. And we are going to share when we go home, we are going to share uh, what we learned from this place. And we are very appreciative to the staff, si Sir Edan, sila ni Ma'am Michelle, si Sir Ruby, si Ma'am Gaga. Appreciative kayo ming tanan kay we don't have to do anything. All we have to do is just be here and enjoy the food, enjoy the lectures. We learned so much. So salamat gyud kaayo. Thank you so much sa tag-iyaan nga place. And we pray that everything will go well with you and you will be able to reach more and more people. Thank you.